The economic downturn has no doubt made operating an insurance business today challenging. In this exclusive interview, newly appointed Farmer CEO Robert Woodstra shares why he believes his company can grow its business and agency distribution force even during a recession, and his prediction on when the economy will turn around.
I hope I'm wrong with what I think, because I think it would be better for all of us if it turns quicker. But, you know, I think this is a pretty deep recession in the sense that I think a lot of unemployment is going to get heavier here in the coming months. That's just beginning. And as a result of that, of course, it starts to slow down spending and buying, which slows the economy down. So I really think there's going to be, you know, the waters are going to be choppy for '09 and '10. And I think we'd be a lot closer to '11 before we might see the economy pull out of it. But as I said earlier, I hope I'm wrong. Yeah, I think people talk about growth, right? So can you really get growth in this kind of a marketplace? And obviously, I think whatever anybody's growth aspirations were before the last few weeks, there's no question. I think everybody's growth aspirations are going to be realized at lower levels than they thought. But I think even as we're moving through this calendar year in our business, because of our focus on certain market segments and product lines, we're growing our business at about 6% year over year level, '07 or '08 over '07, which I think is one of the strongest in the states from a property and casualty perspective. So again, I think the way we're focused on the markets, we're looking to grow, maybe not quite at those levels, but we're still looking and believing that we can grow in 2009 in a responsible way. In 2005, when we really were examining markets, one of the things was the Hispanic markets that we felt we needed to focus on. We had a certain level of business in those markets, but again, when you look at the populace in the United States, it's one of the fastest growing market segments, customer segments. And so by really being focused on that over the last 3 years, it's provided growth, but I think it'll also then put us in a pretty good position for 2009. And also the growth in small business and commercial, small business operators, which again, when we think about our agency distribution, which is some exclusive agency distribution, is some 15,000 strong, out there right in what we call Main Street America, okay, where there are a lot of small businesses, and really increasing our focus in that area has, again, given us some pretty good growth over the past couple years, and we think will also help us as we go through 2009. And of course, in this economic time right now, okay, there's been a lot of people that have been displaced from jobs, and we're actually in position where we're looking to bring on average, 2,000 new business partners as insurance agents on an annual basis. So in 2009, we'd be looking to bring on another 2,000 people, just like we did in 2008. And we look at recruiting those right now. We've set up new recruiting centers. So we've tested some things and started in the state of Ohio, and we subsequently set up a new recruiting center in the state of Wisconsin, and we now have one in Riverside here in California. And in those areas where we actually go out and recruit people, bring them in and train them. And then also we have here in Southern California, the University of Farmers, where those people, we bring them in and give them the kind of professional training they have to be very successful as independent business men and women. And so I think, again, in this kind of environment, obviously, it's something that feels good to us that we can actually be in a position to extend job offerings, okay, to people versus, as we talked earlier about, obviously, the cuts that are happening out there today. Well, when you think about these times, everybody's interested, right, from insureds, from employees, and from other financial stakeholders want to know how your organization is doing financially, right? So is it financially healthy, or is it in distressed times like the economy is? So it is a matter of spending a lot of time talking to these different audiences, from your employees to our insureds and to our agents, and letting them know, okay, the state of the union of our organization. And I think we're very fortunate in the sense that from the Zurich perspective, and including the Farmers Organization, okay, financially we are very strong and healthy at this point in time, and able to navigate our way through these choppy times. So I know I found it interesting in the past few weeks, so many employees, right, have come up and said how appreciative they are, okay, of being in an organization, being a part of one who is in the better financial position right now through these times, which makes them feel very good because it gives them a more secure feeling about their family and being able to provide for their family. So that is, I know that's a kind of a gratifying feeling, okay, to be in a position, to be a part of an organization that's prepared to handle the times.